Caxambas Park is finally open, and it's well, looks pretty cool. Check it out. I would say it's so peaceful here, except for that thing over there making all that noise. So we've got a new, well, I don't know whether it's new or not, but it looks like clean. Got some nice new fencing going on here. Looks like a whole new deck. I don't know whether these are new or not. They look pretty much the same as they did last time. Maybe these concrete pilings are new, but I'm pretty sure those floating docks are just the same. This is all new, this fence. But pretty much the same as it was before. Got a few people fishing, so that's quite nice. Used to come fishing here a lot when I was a little bit younger, when my kid was a kid. I'd love to come fishing here. I'm not bothered anymore. So what I have noticed is there's hardly any parking. Plenty of parking if you've got a trailer, you know, so come here with your boat, you're okay. But if you're coming here just to do a little bit of fishing or just to hang out, there's hardly any parking. I got the last spot. And remember, you used to be able to park over there to the left. Now they've got a fence over there, so no one can park over there anymore. Yeah, so you got all this parking for boats, and there's literally 4 boat trailers here, and all the other parking spots are open. Over there you can't park anymore because they've fenced it off. And over here, there is, I'm going to count these, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so there's about 6 parking spots if you're not handicapped. And you've got 2 handicap parking spots, one at each end. And 2 more spots here. I'm not sure what they are, but we'll check them out and see what they are. Yeah, so 6 regular car parking spots, 2 handicap parking spots, and USCG permit parking only. 2 spots for them, which are empty obviously, because they probably never use them. So, pretty disappointing really, isn't it? If you've got a boat, you're okay. And if you don't, you've got 6 spots to choose from, or 2 handicapped. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. See you later.